Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to select a particular word or sentence and change its font in Word on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile I just open Word application. So I have some question paper over here, so I just select some documents over here. So this is contain a lot of content in there, so I just want to select the particular format or particular sentence, to select the font style, everything. So entire document I don't want to change, I just want to select a particular font and do font change and color and size, etc. What I have to do here, so on top you will find option called A and pencil button. So just select the pencil button over here. So this is a pencil button to edit an entire document over here. So select the particular area or particular sentence, you can change the font over here. So what you have to do here, so just long press on, for example I just want to select this media organization, so just long press on that and just select, the cursor will be open here. So just select the area. So I have selected this area. So now I just want to change the font. What I have to do here, on top you will find A and pencil button over here. Just hit the button, you will get a home button. So this is a home button. You will have your font size, bold, italic, colors, everything will be there. So format options will be available over here. Just choose the font style and choose the font. What are the font you want, you can accommodate, so you can apply over here. So I just choose the font style and I just want to increase the font size over here. So I just increase the font size over here through the mobile phone itself. That is a beautiful option. I just want to give the font color. So what are the color I can choose, I can have access with this color, and if I want to give highlight for the particular area, so I can give the highlighter. So this is a beautiful option. For example, I just want to give some particular sentence, for example any 5 questions in 200 words, this entire B part should have a different color, different font. What I have to do here, just long press on that and select which area you want and choose the same font option. So which font you want, you can accommodate, you can apply for that, you can apply the font style. So what are the font style you love to have, you can apply over here. The font size is applied over here. So if you want to increase the font size, so you can increase the font size, you can give a font color, and what are the information you want, you can give according to your need. So using this option you can give a particular word to select and give the format, or particular sentence you can give the colors and format using your Word, using your mobile phone itself. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.